Got a little creep in the back right there. Alright, y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, we're sponsored by Panera Bread, as you guys could see. I don't know what drink this is. She got it.
Passion fruit green tea. It was free.
She says it's a passion fruit green tea. I don't really like teas, but we gonna try it.
Yeah. Yeah. No? It's good. I like it.
Have you tried it?
Yeah, I took a sip of it before I finished pouring it.
Yeah, no, it's, I don't really like it. No, I don't really like it.
Damn, my arms hurt from those planks.
Yeah, no, it really, like, the whole body. Like, my shoulders is killing me. My yeah, no, I don't know if I like it. I mean, I'll probably drink it because I'm thirsty, but
I forgot to put ice.
yeah, I noticed. I'm like, what is this mutant-like drink with no ice? Anyway, so we got us some Panera. We're trying to eat healthier because we going on a diet. Are these both the same?
Mine has extra dressing. I forgot to get extra dressing.
Yeah, they both do.
Oh,
they got
wonderful.
two.
Mine, did you get a full size?
Yeah.
Mine doesn't have tomatoes or onions.
They both do.
Oh, and mine has strawberries.
Oh, so this one. Oh no, so then that's the strawberries I was looking at. Okay. Yeah, so we got us a nice little salad. This is a green goddess salad. You got, excuse me, you got eggs, avocado, salad of course, bacon in it. And then what is all of this?
Greens by Panera.
They gave us mad bread. I am starving. This is my second meal at 4:14. My first meal was at like 8 o'clock in the morning, and I only had some eggs and a piece of toast.
2 napkins.
You want some napkins?
2 of them. They're under your plate. Oh,
all right, so you gonna dig right in, cause a nigga hungry.
Language.
I'm black, I can say it.
But you always check me about cursing on YouTube, so I'm checking you.
Oh, and we got some chicken in the salad too, so it's gonna give us some more flavors and all.
You wanna try strawberry on your salad? Right. Do you not like strawberries? Do you have something against them?
I love strawberries.
Can I have the camera to show my child? That's you.
It's cold as hell.
That's you, little baby. Hi. She gets no Panera. Not for at least another like year and a half or so.
Oh, hold up.
I don't know what I'm pointing this at.
Me pouring my dressing. So we gonna dig in, and then after this I'm gonna hit up this track and do some jogging, get some exercise in for the day.
I wish I would have got mac and cheese.
She really wanted mac and cheese, but that's not healthy. We're on a healthy diet this year.
I'm gonna pretend this is mac and cheese.
Hey, look, you got the same drink. It's nasty as.
I liked it.
And it's tea.
Too bad.
Yeah, like I say, we're doing healthier this year.
Oops. Yes. This baby made us both fat. We were both eating and not working out.
I think if I could get you in the camera. Not really. It's whatever. This sounds pretty good, actually.
Yeah. I think the dressing makes it really good. Hi.
Make sure y'all eat your greens. You see this? This right here is health. Oh damn! They almost got in an accident. Lady in the minivan pulling out. Didn't even look.
See, that's why you gotta park in reverse so you can see everything that's going on.
She was.
Oh, shut up. What happened? Are you sad that we're not moving? Is there
You want
is
some
the
bread?
bag empty? Like for garbage?
Mm-mm.
Just on your lid. I don't want to hold it no more.
I might have to use your other dressing.
No, you're not. I'm about to use it. That's why you got two and I'm not.
They didn't give me enough.
Alright, well, that sounds like a personal problem. You gotta ration it. You gotta ration your dressing.
Damn.
What?
I'm splashing all over the place.
Your dressing?
Yeah.
So good.
But yeah, we got some avocado in this, some chicken, some eggs. I'm getting back in the gym. So like I was saying, we're gonna go do some jogging, and then we're probably gonna work on legs today. Get the blood flowing in the legs and all of that. I also got a not tomato soup, a vegetable soup in there. Since it's kind of chilly out, 56 degrees out here in New York. Need something to warm up my body. How was it? Bueno?
Mm-hmm. I don't hear me talking. I'm into your little Jamaica thing.
Kept getting in the way. And I only put this guy up because of the sunroof.
You want to tell them what happened to your sunroof?
I told him on my other channel, but I'll tell him on this one. So earlier during the year,
this was like a week ago.
Like a week ago, I was doing some recording, and I had put my GoPro up on the sunroof, and I forgot that it was up. Well, no, I didn't forget that it was up there. I didn't think of it, but I had left the car, and with my car, if you lock it from the outside on the door handle, like you just put your finger on it, everything closes. So the windows closed, the mirrors closed, and I didn't realize that the sunshade was closing too. And the whole time I was out of the car, the sunshade was pushing the GoPro the entire time, and then my sunroof caught on fire because there was smoke.
It did not catch on fire.
It caught on fire.
It overheated.
Well, there was smoke coming from the sunroof, so there was a fire.
It was a lot of smoke. It was not a fire.
Well, the car still smells. But anyway.
Oh my god.
That's why I have this air freshener right here.
Your dad is so dramatic.
Gotta see that? Kind of bright. There you go. You see that right there. All the chicken and greens, avocado, some egg.
It's really delicious.
Really good salad.
So bad.
What other time your mom comes home on Friday?
At 12 in the afternoon.
And what time does the concert start?
I think at like 7 p.m. but those things never start on time.
But you gotta factor in traffic. I mean, you guys will take the train, right?
Most likely. My mom's kind of bougie though. I don't know, we might take a cab. I wouldn't care to take a train though. Yeah, they need to like be more generous with the dressing.
That's what I'm saying.
This is a big ass bowl. Not enough dressing.
You're welcome, bro. You want some of this nasty tea? Tastes so plain.
Look. An M5, I think.
With that white car?
No, the black car. By the tree.
Oh, that's the M6.
It's an M6, babe.
Remember? We said I told you about that last time. The one all the way across the parking lot at Smashburger, that's the X6.
Wait,
X6M.
I'm not talking about that.
I know, the black one right here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, bye.
That's the M6. Damn, son.
Cutie. This isn't bad. I kind of like it. It grew on me.
I don't like it. It's like no flavor. There's like flavor at the end. Does that make sense? Like when everything is out of your mouth. No homo.
I like it. It's probably healthy because it's green.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna cut the camera here. And
Catch y'all later.
I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.